Today I will teach you how to make fried cucumber. Thoroughly wash the cucumbers, then peel their skins. Cut the peeled cucumbers into uniform thin slices. Pour cooking oil into a wok and heat it until shimmering, swirling to coat the surface evenly. Add minced garlic and chopped chilies, sauteing until fragrant. Toss in the cucumber slices, stirring rapidly. Pour in 20 grams 0.7 ounce of soy sauce. And add 1 teaspoon 5/18 oz of salt. Stir fry continuously for precisely 30 seconds over high heat. Transfer to a serving plate. Now you've mastered this quick, flavorful dish. Give it a try.